Did you know that summer heat weakens a car battery and that winter cold can expose a battery's weakness and keep your vehicle from starting? O'Reilly Auto Parts test batteries for free so you can be sure of your battery's condition and lifespan. Just stop by one of our nearby stores and let a parts professional know you'd like your battery tested. They've got the equipment to come out and test it right in the parking lot. Or if your car won't start and you can't get it jump started, just bring the battery in to us. We can test and charge the battery at the counter, also for free. If it won't charge or it's too weak, we carry a full line of Super Start batteries to fit your vehicle and get you back on the road. In many cases, we can even help install a new one for free, right there at the curb with a new battery purchase. Ask about free battery testing at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts.